You're a truck lover. That's why you want that beautiful, sleek look of the Dauntless truck gear soft roll-up tonneau cover. You want to protect your stuff, you want to look cool, but you also don't want to spend all day installing that bad boy. We got you covered, my friend. Today, we're going to be putting it on this '09 Chevy Silverado. Of course, this product also works on the '07 to '14 Chevy Silverado, the GMC Sierra, and of course the 6.5-foot bed, which is what we have right here. Now, again, like I said, super easy to install. Here's the beautiful part. No drilling. So you don't got to ask your neighbor for a favor that they're going to call in when you least expect it. Also, it includes the only tool that you're going to need for the installation right in the box. You know it's dependable with that marine grade vinyl. And if, God forbid, anything should happen, you got that lifetime warranty. And probably the best part out of all of this is it's affordable. It's not going to break the bank. So even though it is an easy install, we have a tradition here at Midwest Aftermarket. We need to call Cory. I don't see him. Cory! Cory! I swear, you know, and it's just, ah! Oh, you look just like me. It's kind of like looking in a mirror. I mean, we look literally exactly the same. Let's get this started. All right, we're going to be starting by putting the bulkhead seal onto your truck. Before we do that, though, you want to clean this bad boy to make sure it sticks on there good. Cory's got himself a little napkin, a little rag there, and he's got some delicious isopropyl rubbing alcohol. Now, you don't want to drink it. Trust me. Now, of course, you're going to have a little bit more than you need. That's okay. You're just going to cut off the edge after Cory peels that delicious back off. My God, look at that. All right, step two. We've already placed the rails on the side of the truck here. We've not attached them yet because that's going to happen after you put that soft fruit roll-up tonneau cover on top of that bulkhead seal there. Now, you're going to see two protruding black things with a bolt sticking out of that tonneau cover. That's what you're going to use it to attach to that rail. It slides right on in, and then you're going to use that attached Allen wrench that comes in that box, and you're going to be tightening up that bolt that's sticking out. Look at that. You're already halfway there, big guy. And you're going to do it on the other side. So if you forgot, rewind it back and then watch what I said. I'll be right here. I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, like get a pizza or something. Come on, Cory. All right, now the next step is putting on these clamps. But before you do that, you have to make sure your tonneau cover is positioned correctly. So we have already placed it on there and rolled it out to make sure that it's not going to be going over the edge or anything like that. Once the tonneau cover is rolled out, looking all sweet and nice and sexy, the way you want it, roll it back, and now we're going to be putting on these clamps, bad boy. Now, we got 6 clamps here. Obviously, it's going to be 3 on each side. That's right. I passed math in elementary school. And the way you put them on is super duper simple and easy. So we see Cory with the clamp. The top there is going to go inside of the groove, and the bottom is going to go under this part of the truck right there. You see that? Look at that. And then you quite simply tighten it up with your hands. Amazing. Now, those 3 on each side, you're going to want one of these clamps as far towards the bulkhead seal as you can. You're going to want the other one back towards the tailgate. And, of course, the third one, can you guess where that's going to go? I'll give you 3 guesses. It's the middle. Just put it in the middle. Look at that. That's a man's forearm right there. That's uncalled for. All right, now that everything is on there, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's roll this bad boy back out and make sure it fits. Oh, we see the Cory man with his impeccable sense of style. Look at that. It fits beautifully. Now, you just got to make sure that you know how to roll that bad boy back. You got your little lever, a little latch right there. That's going to be in the middle. Of course, pull that bad boy. And then boom, man. The Dauntless Truck Gear Soft Roll-Up Tonneau cover is installed. You want to pick that up, you can do so right now at MidwestAftermarket.com. You're more old school, you got some questions, pick up the phone, give us a call, let us know. But whatever you do, don't miss out, because you don't need a Cory to install something so easy and beautiful, right? Look at that. Man, I just wish you dressed a little bit nicer. That's okay. I'm Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket and Dauntless Truck Gears, and we'll see you next time.